Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Woo! This is a very exciting video because we're going to tell you where we're going. Well, you'll have seen the title, but we are on our way to Dubai!
Yeah! Woo!
So, last year when me and Harrison were in Mallorca, like last October, me and Harrison wrote a list of everywhere we want to travel this year. Due to other circumstances, we were like, haven't managed to do like everything that we wrote down, but you know, that's life. But Dubai was one where we like really wanted to.
No, it was a non-negotiable.
A non-negotiable, and it's happening. We're like, and I don't think we quite believe it's actually happening. Like we're about to go to Dubai today, but it is. So basically, it's going to be a very long travel day, but we're going to obviously vlog it all. We're starting the day by driving from our house down to Bedford, leaving the car and our extra stuff, I guess, at Harrison's mum's house. So we're going to do, that's our first step. So we need to drive to Bedford. Harrison's driving. That's obviously why I'm holding the camera. Safety first, keep your hands on the wheel.
10 and 2.
10 and 2. And then from Bedford we get the train into London, then the tube over the tube from King's Cross over to Heathrow. So it's like a 45-minute train into London, which is fine. Then it's an hour-long tube. But we're not fine. It's not fine, but it's like a fraction of the price compared to paying for like the Heathrow Express or something. So
all about that.
You can bet me and Harris are going to sit on that tube for an hour. And then yeah, we're flying at 9:30 tonight. So it's currently 9:30 this morning.
Oh,
so
wow,
in like 12 hours we'll be taking off to go to Dubai. But let's get this travel vlog going. We're so excited, if you can't already tell. Anyway, that's it for now basically. Stick around, it's Dubai time. Woo!
Yeah.
Good afternoon, it's a few hours later. You might not hear us because the train just pulled in, but we're off. We're in, I mean, I'm absolutely, it's sweating in here. It's like, it's 29 degrees in Bedford right now, it says, so it's getting us ready. It's going to be 10 degrees hotter in Dubai though, so that will be good. But yeah, we're just waiting for the train. It'll be here in a minute. Let's get going. Might get some like scenic shots on the way. Might be busy though, because it's like 25.
Rush hour.
Rush hour. Look, we're like glowing. Wow. Love it.
The best thing about this train, I'll come with us because I'm not much like that. The best thing about this train is, and I don't ever remember this, it's aircon. It's aircon.
Let's go.
Not sweating on that bad.
We look like two sweaty misses, and guess what? We haven't left the country. Oh, well, you know, it's like 30 degrees as I said.
What happens when you spend 1 hour on a tube?
Yeah, well, I think that one. Oh, I don't know what. We're now sitting in the departures, like they'll just departures, whatever, and I'm watching the airplanes take off.
What we found is with Heathrow, there's not much food selection.
No.
It's tea time, so I'm hoping there's a nice tasty meal on board, so we've had to
we don't take off till like 9:30 though, so then I'm like, are they going to give us tea? Like, I hope so. So we bought a meal deal because we're like starving Marvin. Your tummy's hurt.
We'll have to make do and hopefully there's something.
What we really wanted was like Burger King for some fries, but
literally,
it was either like sushi or like a £15 bowl of fries, and I was like,
meal deal it is. All day
meal
breakfast,
deal.
Pizza Hut crisps that I found.
Anyway, we're just going to sit and watch the planes. I don't have a very good seat here to see, but that's alright.
I'll put a good one.
I might swap with you.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's eat. Tired and warm.
Sorry, I was itching my tash my teeth on.
Okay. The camera's in the bag, I'm just too lazy to get it out. But
I just really didn't want to get out. I
was so tired.
And it looks like our gate is like the furthest possible.
Via transit, we're going to have to get the little train thing. Yeah. Our train's like, our plane's at C66, we're currently at like E. I don't know, but we're just on our way now. We're not rushing because that's just not who we are. We'll just take a slow walk. Hey, hopefully we'll both sleep well.
Well, an hour until it takes off. An hour and 10 minutes it takes off anyway, so.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Oh, gotta go. Harrison's currently recording the robot cleaner. You need one now? One of those that size? I don't think it would work if it was that size.
Oh, it's coming?
Oh, it's coming for us. Look, get in. Stand in front of it and see what it does. Oh, it's not going to come this way now.
It is.
What's going on? We're off to board. We're very tired. I've just popped some ibuprofen, so I'm getting a bad head. I can feel it. Teeth are brushed. We've had our wheeze. Let's get this show on the road. It's bedtime. You can see it. Look. Harrison's currently playing with his remote. That's what we're on. 2 seats worked out really well because it's literally just us 2 in the row. There's so much more room. Okay, I'm gonna go because they're talking to us. Long. How hot are you, Harrison?
Look at me, I've just desweated. This is ridiculous.
There's no aircon currently. Oh, Gemma's just texted. See you on the other side. We're gonna apply, lol. Update, it's like half an hour later and still no aircon.
Look at me. Harrison's
a triple mess. I'm calling it a gloom. We're starting to move, but there's still no aircon. And they said it was getting fixed, but there's been no update or anything. We just started moving, so don't want to be flying the whole way like this because it is like obviously it's like 30 degrees out. Obviously it's got hot in Dubai, but like this is up there in Olympia, and I'm not gonna lie, it's starting to get a bit snowy.
It is.
What is? It's not great. I mean, us included. But
Well, good evening, it's your flight manager speaking. As the captain's mentioned already, we're about to show you a safety video containing important information.
No update, lol. Harrison's very, very excited. He's been wanting to try a special British Airways brew dog. Hope you can hear his taste test. Let me have a smell. It smells like any other. You have a sip first. Compared to my water, let me have a little taste.
That tastes more like normal water.
It smells like normal beer.
Yeah, it does taste like normal beer.
Sorry, I can't be turning the camera on, it's just on you.
That doesn't taste like brew dogs.
No, I don't like that.
How was Atlantic?
Harrison's very happy. The delay in the new aircon was worth it.
I didn't want to drink it out of the plastic cup. I want to make
Harrison's sad because I'm vegetarian. I get my meal first.
gonna go to sleep instead.
Oh. Suitcase secured. Let's go.
المحطة القادمة هي جيجيكو. The final destination. العقارية. The final destination.
This is going to wrap up our like travel day vlog because we've arrived at the hotel.
And I think you're gonna like this. We'll quickly run you through the metro. We went with the metro option.
Yeah, it was a lot cheaper.
And we'd gone from airconned airport to aircon metro to about a 10-minute, would you say 10-minute walk?
Yeah.
10-minute walk.
It probably felt longer because it was like we had to suitcases
and all of a sudden,
tired.
You stepped outside and it literally felt like the air was made of fire.
Yeah,
it was so hot.
It was very warm. But to be fair, I didn't like, it was
there was
manageable.
a little breeze.
Yeah.
So.
But anyway, we've made it to the hotel and that means it's time for a room tour. Let's go. I'm going to turn the camera around. I look like we haven't worked out the lighting yet. So we've got wardrobes as soon as you come in. We've got some fancy robes.
Slippers. An iron.
An iron. Nice. Some nice cute lights. Another side of the wardrobe.
More
cute
space.
hairdryers. I was going to call that a space, but it's actually a safe.
I love that there's lights in the wardrobe.
Yeah. Fancy. This is cool. I like this. Ooh. Wow. Snazzy glasses on a drawer.
I'm not sure what's in here. Nothing. But
in here.
Oh, the fridge.
Fridge. We've already put our 3 bottles of water in.
They get topped up daily, so
to get cooled down.
Coffee setup.
Coffee setup. Nice. Interconnecting door, but we're not obviously going to be using that. Massive TV in chest of drawers. Or suitcases, as you know. Workspace.
Perfect.
Yeah. A little cute like nook kind of thing. Like look at the ceiling.
This is nice.
Fancy. The view's nothing if I'm being honest, but it's
The hotel room's insane.
yeah. We're like kind of in the middle of like right next to a metro
It's gonna
station.
shut this
There's a metro.
Full effect of the bathroom.
Yeah. So then you spin around and we've got our nice big bed. Oh, I don't fit. With all of our tripe already on.
Look at that.
And look at this fancy door. I wonder what's behind the door. You should go around the other side. I wonder what's on the other side of this door. You ready? Harrison in the bathroom. There's a big reflection, but he is there. I'll come round. I'll come round. Oh, a lovely mirror. There she is. Into the bathroom. Bathroom's lovely.
So we've got a shower.
Yeah,
Oh,
I need a
this is
shower. I'm
gorgeous.
sweating. This is pretty. Nice big bath.
This-
Bath. I meant bath. Oh, a retractable clothesline.
Oh,
That's clever.
this is just.
Yeah, this is
Gold.
stone. Oh my god.
There's a Wayne
This is
stone.
lovely.
Yeah.
Vanity kit, shaving kit. Oh, I'll have to open them. They're giving us
Shaving kit.
Cara vibes.
Didn't nail my chest before I.
There we are.
And
It's being hot.
there's a phone in the toilet.
Toilet. In case you have an issue on the toilet.
Toilet and a bean.
Harrison's
and
favourite
another
thing.
bean.
But yeah, that's
This is like
pretty much the room tour.
absolutely gorgeous.
Should we wrap up this vlog, Harrison?
We should.
Because then we're going to start, because, well actually, we've got some special guests who are going to be on the channel for the next week.
Yeah.
So we're going to get showered and get sorted, and then we're going to go,
Do some
well,
stuff.
we've already seen one half of them.
We're gonna do some stuff.
Yeah, we're going to do some exciting stuff, but it's all starting straight away, so we'll wrap up this little travel vlog. Hope you've enjoyed it. We're excited, exploring new country together. I'm also still at a flamingo, but I do that constantly.
See you in the next video, which will be just
See you in the next video.
activities.
Tatty bye.